Hey all developers, welcome back to all of you once again. So in this video tutorial I am going to assist how to use cloneNode method in JavaScript. So here cloneNode method is a method of clone interface that allow you to clone element. And here cloning node means copying node. And these are the important phrases I have copied from the documentations. While cloning node, you can't clone register events or an assign events. And another most important thing is that if you clone a node with an ID attribute and place the clone node in the same document, then ID will be duplicate. In this case, you need to change the ID before adding it to the DOM tree. Alright. So let's have some example to clear our doubts. So here let's suppose we want to clone this menu element, alright, UL element. So how we can clone that? We can clone by using a menu dot clone node method, and optional we can pass boolean value to this method by saying that I want to clone node and its descendant child. If you want to do that, then we have to pass here boolean value true, right? And this function will return copied node that we can add into the document. So const copied node equal to, right? And so let's append as a child into body element. So for that, document dot body dot append, we can use append or append child, both, right? So append child copied node. So let's see the output. Now you can see the output, only inner text is showing, because in our previous video I leave this doc file by using this inner text property. Instead of, we have to use inner HTML. Great. Now you can see the output that we clone this menu element and add it into body element as a child. You can also see here also. And here if I mention false, then only the empty UL element will be cloned, but not the descendant child of this menu element. Let's see the example. Let's change it to false. See here, this UL element is cloned, but its childs are not cloned. You can see. And friends, that is only the use of this clone node method, nothing else. And if you really find helpful in this video tutorial, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching. Let's meet in our next session.